Urgent! Switch it up! Urgency! We are breaking into your normal RV YouTube viewing evening to bring you some Switch It Up news because we have no way of getting a hold of everyone to let them know what's going on, so this is the best way we can do it. We're gonna give you some updates. Update number one, as many of you know, several of you have been calling and talking about going on the next year's Alaska cruise with us. That is currently sold out. Sold out! No, so there might be some cancellations later, but right now, our cabin allotment, there's about 200 of you. We're gonna just hop on that boat together in Alaska. Very exciting news about that, but it's going to be fun. I mean, I'm really looking forward to the cruise. These are our experience trips, yeah. And this will be our second one. We did one last year in Mexico. So if you sign up for the newsletter and stuff, you'll be able to see things like this that come out. So go to our website, like always, to be able to see that stuff. Sheila, what other announcement? That was like the biggest, because that's a big deal. People keep calling Anthony trying to book and stuff, and we have to kind of shut things off. Yes, we can start all the planning process for all the other things happening with that cruise. But like Todd said, there's just no way to get this information out to all the different areas. One of the things that we also wanted to let you know about is September is filled with tons of crew campouts. These are activities and camping opportunities for our community just to come together. And I know if you watch our channel, you know the YouTube channel isn't what is our best thing. Like, it's not. No. The secret sauce to Switch It Up is the crew. Well, I kind of like our videos, though. I mean, well, okay. I mean, to say not the best thing. Well, it's not the best thing. Our best thing is our people and the community that we're building, yes, and that what we're doing together. And that's what the crew campouts are all about. So those are only like $10 for a whole rig to just go and hang out and just experience the best part of Switch It Up, and that is just the crew. And you're going to be able to find all the crew campouts on our app. So if you download the app, there's so many things that are happening, and there's going to be big announcements around the app very soon. I can't plead with you enough to at least check it out, or always go to the website and sign up for like newsletters or whatever that we can communicate with. Now a wind decided to pick up. Woo. What else? Well, part of the crew camp out is Todd and I are hosting a dinner at a winery in Missouri, in Higginsville, Missouri, actually on September 20th. There's a ticket available for that. We would love to just hang out, have a nice night of some wine tasting, great dinner, and some live music in Missouri. Right in our back, you know, Kansas City is home for us. Real close to the spacecraft manufacturing. You never know. Maybe have Greg stop by or something. You don't know what's going to happen. Yes. Okay, so that's September. A lot of crew campouts. Come to eat dinner with us. Let's also tell them about right now, as we speak, for the next like 4 weeks only, you can pre-order merchandise. That's our fall line. Got some great items for you just to wear your Switch It Up swag. We were having an issue where we were trying to carry around all our different merch and do all that. So we switched it up on you, of course. That's why it's a great name for a channel. And now it gives you the opportunity to see everything that's there and then pre-order, and then we can ship it out. Because we kept hearing, well, I don't have this size. You don't have this in my size. Pre-order is a way to get it in your size. So check out the website, check out our store, and pre-order your merch, and it'll be sent to you here rapidly. What else we got? I don't know. You made a list. Oh, I made a list. Oh, coming up in October, we have the last huddle of 2024. We're going to be in Nevada. We've got a great weekend planned, but those tickets will be closing out soon. Yes, real soon, because we have to have 30 days prior to shut off all of the numbers and stuff for catering. But it is going to be a fun experience in Vegas. Yeah, so be prepared for that, because that just leads into starting out the kickoff, the Grand Poobah of 2025, which I'm really looking forward to. Well, you know what else we're doing right after that huddle? Well, we're going to have golf carts that like to come by and probably say hi, and probably cars that are going to come say hi. Looks like we're getting a new neighbor. There's an RV we can just wave at. There's a new neighbor. Hello, neighbor. RV life. All right, after the Las Vegas huddle, we are doing a Bronco Nation takeover event at the Bronco Off-Rodeo. Don't have a Bronco? That's okay. Have a Jeep? That's okay too. We're going to park all of our own vehicles and go experience off-roading together on, that's Monday, October 28th. So if you're not at the huddle, but you want to come to the Bronco Off-Rodeo, you can do that.
There's limited space for that. So
Absolutely.
now we're starting to at least let you know that if you're going to come, you need to book some of the stuff ahead of time. As the channel continues to grow, our communication levels, we have to find different ways to share with you different things, and events start selling out. And that's just par for
And
the
I guess
journey.
that's why we're interrupting your Thursday scrolling through YouTube to give you some urgent updates about how to get connected. It's so much more than beyond our Sunday and other videos that we produce. Like, there's so much more beyond that. So just come plug in, be a part of the crew, come have fun.
And we're going to do something really special. And to start off 2025, so put it on your calendar, mark it down, start researching to start planning your camping season, and that is United Rally. And that is going to be in Tucson, Arizona. For all those that are not going to Florida, you're actually staying in the Arizona area. So we are going to be heading west next year, and we're going to kick it off at the Tucson United Rally.
Absolutely. But
What?
you got to tune into our channel to find out information about that coming up. Get registered for the newsletter, and
Another big announcement later on.
big announcement coming. We'll interrupt you one more time, I'm sure, when we are ready. But we don't have all our ducks in a row for that.
Nope, not yet. But that's the reason you have to keep up to date. Sign up for the newsletter, get the app, get plugged in. Let's have 2025. We're not even done with 2024 and we're talking 2025. There's just so many things that are happening all at once. So hopefully this was a great announcement for you.
Oh, I can give them a little teaser. If you've missed the boat because it is sold out, this announcement that we're going to give you here shortly might just be your way to still catch the boat.
Oh, you're gonna tell them that now?
What's the worst that can happen?
Okay, that's fair. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry, we will now let you go back to your regular scheduled RV YouTube content watching this evening.
We'll see you on Sunday. Watch that video.
We wouldn't be very good news announcers, would we?
No, we're barely scraping by as YouTubers.